Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nintendo Switch Pro controller to PC instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC, first, ensure your controller is charged. Begin by turning on your PC. Next, go to the Bluetooth settings on your PC. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, click on the Start menu and type Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth and other devices settings from the search results. In the Bluetooth settings window, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Choose Bluetooth from the list of options that appear. Now, take your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Press and hold the sync button on the top of the controller until the indicator lights start flashing. The controller is now in pairing mode. Return to your PC's Bluetooth window. You should see Pro Controller appear in the list of available devices. Click on Pro Controller to start pairing. Once it is connected, the indicator lights on the controller will stabilize. If connected successfully, you can now use your Nintendo Switch Pro controller to play games on your PC. If you're having trouble, ensure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. For a wired connection, connect the controller using a USB-C cable. Your PC should detect the controller automatically. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy gaming with your Nintendo Switch Pro controller on PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.